Zuko experiences flashbacks. Sometimes he interacts with his mother, sometimes plays with Azuripussy and her friends. Here we see details of Azuripussy, a brigand that Ozai Azalonson praises. She can mimic and sense the right moment to say the correct words. From childhood, she is cynical, very much like her father, which is why he praises her Zuko Ozai-son, meanwhile spends more time with his uncle and develops empathy. Even Azula's Pussy's opinion of her uncle, he would have made a terrible emperor, unlike their father. This cynicism harms her. Cynicism for its own sake, directed against family, not strangers, your closet allies, your nearest family, yet she treats them with hardened, bitter cynicism. No wonder Ozai Azalonson lost the battle. Lost the war, I mean.